Alright, so welcome back to the channel everyone, and welcome to another brand new video, another match day vlog. And as you can see, this video is very special because today we are going to be witnessing the Kolkata derby, but here in Agartala itself. आज का जो वीडियो है मोहन बगान वर्सेस ईस्ट बंगाल लेजेंड्स वाला मैच जो है यहाँ पे अगरतला में होने वाला है at our very own उमाकांत मिनी ग्राउंड, and it is also the day of the Durand Cup quarter final, which is going to be played between Mohan Bagan and East Bengal back in Kolkata at the Salt Lake Stadium. So we have two Kolkata derbys going on pretty much at the same time. This one, the Legends match, starts off from 6 p.m. and the Durand Cup clash starts off from 7:30 back in Kolkata. I cannot be present for the semi-final in person, but वो attend नहीं कर पाए तो क्या हुआ? We are going to make sure that we watch the Kolkata Derby Legends version here in Agartala itself. And yes, it is indeed a very historic day for football, especially here in Tripura, here in Agartala. And of course, let's get going with the Mohan Bagan Legends versus East Bengal Legends match day vlog. Let's go. I've got the tickets for today's match. 50 रुपए का जो टिकट है वो बेसिकली इस साइड में है जहाँ पे हम लोग यूजुअली मैच देखते हैं. सो वहाँ पर आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू बी द बेटर व्यू. ऑलवेज हम लोग वहाँ पे बैठने की कोशिश करते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ से पूरा मैच जो है अच्छे से देख पाते हैं. 100 rupees one is behind the goal post, which I'm not a big fan of. So I don't know why we had to get the 100 rupees one. Anyway, we are about to witness a Legends match between Mohan Bagan Legends and East Bengal Legends. Obviously, the original derby is also going to take place today at the Salt Lake Stadium in the Durand Cup, of course. वो नहीं देख पाए तो क्या हुआ? But we are going to watch a Legends match. So yeah, 5:30 p.m. I'm gonna be back here. Let's do this, guys. It's time for the Kolkata derby, but here in Agartala itself, you can see the ticket is right there. The away kit, the away shirt of Mohan Bagan is here. The scarf is here. और मैं ये भी कोशिश करूँगा कि एक मार्कर खरीदने का, मार्कर लेकर कोशिश करूँगा कि जो लेजेंड्स प्लेयर्स हैं आज, लेजेंडरी प्लेयर्स जो है जो खेलने वाले, उनका मैं ऑटोग्राफ लेने की कोशिश करूँगा. बट फॉर दैट विल हैव टू लुक फॉर अ मार्कर. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ यू कैन गेट इट. देखते हैं लेट्स सी. अगर मिल गया तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं मिला तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते. बट या, it's currently 4:30 p.m. Match starts approximately. It says 5:30 p.m. but I am expecting it to start at 6 p.m. तो अभी थोड़ा टाइम है, बट उम्मीद करते हैं कि स्टेडियम में ज़्यादा भीड़ ना हो. Because there is a possibility that the stadium is going to be fully packed today and we might not get a place to sit. So hoping for a good view of the game. Let's see what happens. Look at the number of security personnel here. भाई कितने सारे पुलिस है यहाँ पे. पहली बार मैं देख रहा हूँ कि अगरतला के किसी मैच के लिए इतना ज़्यादा सिक्योरिटी. Obviously it's obviously बात है क्योंकि we are having two legendary teams full of legends in action today. So yeah, let's see. Let's go inside. देखते हैं क्या सीन है. स्टेडियम राइट नाउ बहुत ही ज़्यादा धूप है यहाँ पे, बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है. क्राउड अच्छी खासी आई है फिलहाल. Even in this heat, you can see some people are still sitting down there. Any prediction? Oh my prediction go 2-1. 1-1. My prediction is 1-1. इधर एमन हইব যে খেলা খুবই স্লো or too many mistakes and there will be many goals. Let's hope Mohan Bagan wins now and later. Let's go. Oh, nice. तो अरे हम ऑफसाइड नहीं ऑफसाइड नहीं. Oh, come on, shoot. Oh, oh. Half time here, 0-0. So far it's been a very slow match. Adi, কেমন লাগছে খেলা দেখে? It's very slow, yeah. But we cannot expect a fast game from players who are way past their prime. So obviously, it is expected to be of this pace. And I think this match is of total of 60 minutes. 30 minutes of each, because the half-time whistle just went off after 32 minutes. So I think it makes sense of this match being 60 minutes, because obviously you cannot have these players play for the whole 90 minutes. But then it's been very slow. Not been a good match so far. Let's see. Hopefully we get to see 1 or 2 goals. People already heading towards the exit. A bunch of East Bengal fans over there. Time for the second half. Let's hope for goals and let's hope for a good game. Oh! Oh! Come on, easy. Not a foul. Shoot! Attemptless था भाई एकटा. Shoot! Oh, nice. Come on. Corner. आराम से. Mama, come on. Nice. Come on. Come on. Oh! Chalo! Arre, come on, man. And it could have been a goal. Just needed a one touch.
Have that belief that this time around, as every single time, we expect an entertainment.
Come on. Oh. Mar. Cross. Goal. Oh. Easy. Oh, अरे मार भाई. Come on. Oh. That was a good chance. Come on. Oh. Penalties. There will be penalties if it's a draw. If it's a draw, there will be penalties. So we will have a winner. Let's see. Time. Let's go. Time for penalties. Let's go. We will have a winner here. सब लोग चिल्ला रहे हैं ताकि इस साइड में penalties हो, but unfortunately it's gonna be that side. Let's see. Ball is still not in the back of the net. Still, even if it's penalties, still not in the back of the net. Oh, Save! Not in. Still not in. Oh, nice. Good penalty. Oh, immediately. Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh, let's go. He scored. He's gonna miss it. No confidence. I don't feel any confidence. He's gonna miss it. Oh, let's go. He's missed it. Woo! This is the deciding penalty. I'm not sure, but this could be. Come on. Oh! Oh! Come on. He has to score. Oh, let's go. Miss, come on. Miss, he's gonna miss. Oh no, man. Great penalty. Oh, nice penalty. Oh, nice. Oh, let's go. Penalty at the end, but it's over. East Bengal wins. We're inside the ground. And let's see, I'm gonna get my shirt signed by the Mohun Bagan legends. Let's see, I'm getting this signed by the players, by the legends of Mohun Bagan. And yeah, signed by one player because the rest of the Mohun Bagan players have gone back to the locker room. So only one autograph, but that's fine. Back in the stadium once again. But yeah, that's fine. Got an autograph. I actually wanted to get this entire shirt autographed. So maybe the goal will be to get this shirt autographed by as many Mohun Bagan players as possible throughout, however long it takes to get the shirt filled. Now that's it. This match has come to an end. Penalties, East Bengal winning. Let's head towards the exit. Alright, so जैसे कि आप लोगों ने देखा, the game has come to an end. And yeah, East Bengal emerging victorious on penalties. And by the point you're watching this outro, this ending of this video, East Bengal have also had beaten Mohun Bagan in the Durand Cup quarterfinals. So Mohun Bagan taking 2 L's in a day to their arch rivals. Obviously, आज का जो मैच था, अगर आप लोग expect कर रहे थे that it's going to be a very high-paced game, then of course you were wrong. That was never going to be the case, because this is a Legends match, and if you're familiar with Legends matches, then you would know that these type of matches are usually very slow. But then again, these type of matches are meant to be fun. They're meant to have the crowd come together and have a good time. That's exactly what happened today. And yeah, another match vlog in the books, a very historic one. Like I said in the starting of the video, Mohun Bagan Legends versus East Bengal Legends here in Agartala.